Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run a full security scan on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in Windows Security. Best results should come back with Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left side, you want to select Virus and Threat Protection. And then on the right side, you want to select where it says Scan Options and select Full Scan, which will check all files and running programs on your hard drive, and then select Scan. And this may take some time to run depending on how many files you have on your system, and then it should list out anything it detects. So just let it run, and that's pretty much it. It's a pretty automated process. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.